Hi, Deepak. Do you think long distance relationships can work over a long period of time?
I do think they can, only under certain conditions. First, the couple need to decide for how long a time they are going to continue with this relationship. Because when an end is in sight, one knows, one has mentally prepared himself or herself for what is in store and for how long they have to endure the emotional and physical lack of intimacy. Then also, how far are they from each other? Is it possible for them to go and see each other quite often? And also, it will also depend upon how much they value each other, of course. But the most important part would be what are the conditions they have laid down for themselves to cope with long distance relationships and the lack of physical and emotional intimacy.
So, can you give me a few examples of these conditions that you're talking about?
Yeah, the examples which come to my mind are most prominently about how do couples deal with their sexual intimacy. Are they going to go for an open relationship or are they going to stay in a committed relationship? If they're going in an open relationship, it's advisable that they do not discuss whom they have slept with uh, in real time with their partner. It is advisable to talk about these things when you are physically with your partner, and if you want to even talk about it at all, that needs to be decided as well. The other thing, how often can you physically see each other? And who is going to come and see who? Who can bear the physical and the financial burden of doing that? How often are you going to communicate over the internet? Internet, even though has made long distance relationships very easy, but hasn't resolved every problem which a long distance relationship might face. Whatever the thing is, one needs to realize that there is no one rule for every couple. Every couple will need to decide what suits them best. But at the same time, clarity and non-ambiguity of communication is really, really important for anyone to have a successful long-distance relationship.